Hi, this video is about how to convert the SKP to a lower version so that it is usable in AiHouse. For example, I want to download this chair from 3dwarehouse.sketchup.com, but the lowest version is 2017. So let's download the model first, and then we're gonna convert it to version 2015 or lower. To do so, you need SketchUp software, and I'm using SketchUp 2017. So you just open the chair you just downloaded. Okay, so here's the chair. Then click File, Save As, choose, okay, save the desktop, choose SketchUp 2015 or lower. Okay, and click Save and Yes to replace the model, or you can just rename it, it's up to you. So the model is ready, and you can use our work assistant to convert the SKP to zip file. To convert, you just select the SKP and then start convert. And it's done, and you can upload now.